everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video, but I'm excited to get back into creating content. And this time, I'm diving into something really exciting: AI and its amazing capabilities. After a long break, I've decided to start making videos about AI, covering tools, APIs, and all the cool things you can build with artificial intelligence. Today, we're kicking things off with a tutorial on how to set up a grammar checker using Google's Gemini API. If you enjoy this kind of content or want to follow along as we explore the world of AI together, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and let's dive into the code. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Install the required Python packages. Before you can start using the Gemini API, you need to install the google-generativeai package. Open your terminal and run the following command to install it: pip install google-generativeai. This package provides the interface for interacting with the Gemini models, including text generation and grammar correction. Set up your API. Key to access Gemini API services, you'll need to provide an API key. You can get this key from your Gemini account. Once you have the key, you need to set it as an environment variable, temporarily in your current session. Export. Gemini API keys. Your Ion API or key. Here. Permanently in your terminal, for Bash users. Open your .bashr file. nano-bashrs. Add this line. Export. Gemini API key equals your API key. Here, save the file and run. Source ~bashrs. This step ensures that your script can authenticate with the API securely. Create the Python script. Using Nano next, let's create our Python script using the Nano editor. Open your terminal and type the following command to create the script. nano-grammar-sentence.py now. Paste this code inside the editor. Step 2. Writing the grammar checker code. Now that your environment is set up, let's move on to the Python code. Here's the breakdown of how it works. Configure the API. The first thing your script needs to do is configure the API using the key stored in the environment variable. The GenAI.configure function sets up the API for interaction. Here, if the API key is not found, the script will exit and ask the user to set it. Creating the grammar correction function. The next function, correct sentence, does the actual heavy lifting. It sends a prompt to the Gemini API asking it to correct the grammar of a sentence. Here's the structure. Prompt. The API takes in a structured prompt where you specify the text to be corrected. The request is made in a natural language format. Model configuration. Here, we are using the model Gemini 1.5 Flash with parameters such as temperature, top P, and top K. These control how creative or focused the model is in generating responses. Response handling. Once the API returns a response, the corrected sentence is extracted and compared to the original to check if there was any change. Running the program. Finally, the script continuously asks the user to input sentences and checks them. This main function handles the interaction with the user, making the program easy to use in a console or terminal. Once you're done, press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter to save and exit Nano. Step 3. Run and test the script. Before proceeding, make sure you have Python 3.12 installed. Now that we have our script, let's run it and see how it works. Simply type Python 3.12 grammar-sentence.py. As you can see, it correctly identified the grammatical error and fixed it. You can continue entering more sentences or type exit to quit. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more AI-related content. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.